Are you ready for 9C? Let's do 9C now.
Today I'm going to teach you with the help of two shirts. I bet you've never been taught by a shirt before. When we compare two things, for example, two shirts, this shirt is cheap and this shirt is expensive. So we can say this shirt is cheaper than this shirt. Or we can say this shirt is more expensive than this shirt. Let's find out more.
We're looking at 9C. You need to know the population of the country that you come from. So, at the bottom here we've got the Vatican, where the Pope lives, head of the Catholic Church. Keep watching as we go up. Some very, very small countries, under 100,000, over 100,000, so more than 100,000. Some places, maybe you know these places. Smaller European ones like Luxembourg, 625,000 people. Eswatini, which used to be Swaziland. Got some other ones here. Latvia, Guinea-Bissau, Slovenia. Slovenia is a beautiful country if you get the chance to go there. Botswana, very big country, not many people live there. Jamaica, Croatia. Ireland, less than 5 million. And then we've got Denmark and Finland, and we're going up to more countries, and Tajikistan. There we go. Now we're into the 10 millions. Greece, Czech Republic, South Sudan, Belgium. Moving up. Neighbouring countries, Burundi and Rwanda. And we've got some South American ones. Ecuador, for example. Chile. Another European one, Romania, less than 20 million, and as you can see with Romania, people are leaving Romania. Where are they coming? Here. Australia, still quite empty, lots of space. Peru, up there. Afghanistan, 38 million, nearly 39 million there. There may be a few they haven't counted, it could be 40 million, like Iraq. Sudan. We go to Spain, Colombia, South Korea, and there's the UK with just under 68 million. Germany with 83, nearly 84 million, which is about the same size as Iran. And Turkey, we've got Congo, still not many people when you think how big Congo is. And then we get into the 100 millions. Vietnam doesn't quite make it. Egypt, 102 million. Japan is getting smaller. Well, the country isn't, and the people aren't. But the old people are dying, and they don't have so many young people. Right, top 10. Here we go. At 10, Mexico in North America. At 9, Russia in Asia and in Europe. 8, Bangladesh, 164, nearly 165 million. Nigeria, 206 million. Brazil, Pakistan, 220 million. Indonesia is 4th out in Asia, as 2 of the other ones are also at the top. USA, but the really big ones are China and India, and I think pretty soon China's going to be overtaken by India. But the biggest country in the world at the moment by population is China. Of course, Russia is bigger than China in size, but China is bigger in population. Okay, and now let's go to this one here, 9C. Okay, we're going to start with number 1. Read 3 questions from a radio quiz and choose A, B or C. What's the population of the UK? I think we just had that. How far is it from New York City on the east coast, the Atlantic coast of the USA, to Los Angeles on the west coast, on the Pacific coast? Okay, this is in kilometers. If it's any help, I thought it was more than that. Number 2, how many politicians are there in the British Parliament? If you're doing your life in the UK test, you will know, is it 450? Is it 650? Is it 750? Have you chosen? Let's listen and check.
Question 1. What is the population of the UK? Is it approximately A, 47 million, B, 57 million, or C, 67 million?
I think it's C, 67 million.
C is the right answer. Question 2. How far is it from New York City in the east to Los Angeles in the west? Is it A, about 2,500 kilometres, B, about 4,000 kilometres, or C, about 5,000 kilometres?
About 4,000 kilometres.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
B is the right answer.
Really?
Question 3. How many politicians are there in the British Parliament? Is it A, 450, B, 650, or C, 750?
I think it's C, 750.
Final answer.
Final answer, 750.
I'm sorry. The right answer is B. There are 650 politicians in the British Parliament.
Right, we're back again. So we're going to have a look at some vocabulary. I think you know this. Yeah, it's page 148, part 4, days and numbers. So we're going down to part 4, and we're going to have some high numbers, okay? And what I want you to do is I want you to look at this, and I want you to fill in the missing numbers or words. So for example, here, it's done for you. 105 is 105. What's 200? 200. That's it. Okay. 350, 350. Correct. Be careful with your spelling. Okay. Press pause now, and I'm going to put up all of the answers any moment now. So press pause and fill in your answers, and then we'll check. And I suppose you're back again now. So there they all are. You can have a look at the answers. And I could play how they sound, but I don't think I will today. 875, 1,000, 1,500. Now, what we need to look at is when do we say and when don't we say and? So we say 875, and we say 2012, but we don't say 5,420. We just say it before the last number under 99, or from 99 down. So you would say 1,099, but you say 1,100. Okay, but you say 1,199. So anything under 100, if we've got big numbers in front, then we say 299, 300, 1,300, 1,399. You get the idea? So that's where the and goes. Of course, the biggest number, 2 million here that we can see, 2,300,000. If this was 2,333,333, it would be 2,333,333. Okay. Get the idea? Yeah. 2,333,333. So notice that when we say anything under 100, 333,000 is what it would be. Okay, I'm making it too complicated. It's much more simple than that.